Welcome to another quick and easy tutorial about QCObjects. This time I'm going to show you how to install QCObjects using the Amazon Web Services Marketplace. The first step you're going to do is to go to the AWS Management Console. And once you get there, you have to select the EC2 Services option. Then go to the sidebar option, AMIs, and once you get there, you will have a big link pointing to the Amazon Web Services Marketplace, and you're gonna click on that, and here you are. This is the main page of the Amazon Web Services Marketplace. Once you get into the Marketplace main page of Amazon Web Services, you can find QCObjects just writing QCObjects in the search file and click on the search button. Here you have the options to select QCObject. And there you are. Here it is the product overview information. You can check out the pricing information, the usage information, the support information, and you can make a review. After that, you can continue to subscribe. Here you have the end user license agreement, the Amazon Web Services privacy notice, and AWS customer agreement. After you read all of that, you can continue to configuration. Once you get into the configuration options, you can select a delivery method, and inside that you got two fulfillment options. The first one is Amazon Machine Image, and the second one is Private Amazon Machine Image. On this tutorial, we're going to explain how to use the Amazon Machine Image. So we're going to select that. You can select the architecture, the software version, and the region. Then you can continue to launch. Here you can have a review of the usage instructions. These are the quick tips to quick start with QCObjects once you have installed the EMI into your console. Here you have to choose what kind of launch option you're gonna do. We're gonna do now launch from website. And here you have the EC2 instance type. The recommended size of the EC2 instance type is M4X large, but you can select whatever you want. Then you can create or select a VPC settings, a subnet settings, and you can create a new security group. If you choose to create a new security group, you have to put the name of your security group, and a description. And these are the preset of the main rules you're going to use once you have installed your AMI. And you can select key pair settings, and then you click on launch. Congratulations! You now have an instance of the QCObjects pre-built image into your EC2 instance.